It's a human tendency to always think that the grass is green on the other side. But sometimes the opportunities are closer to us than we might think. Now, this entrepreneur focused on the egg and wanted to find out how much more, what more value can he get out of an egg. This is his story.
Uganda is full of business opportunities, and many youth have gone an extra mile to utilize these opportunities to create jobs. One of the areas where one cannot go wrong, according to experts, is when they target the food subsector. This is exactly what Lauben did. He makes egg powder.
I sat down and I was like, if someone can make powder from milk, or someone can make powder from these fruits, why can't I make a powder from eggs? And I come up with a new innovation which is called egg powder.
This is how he makes egg powder.
I developed a simple machine here which uses wet air to dry my eggs. When you heat a product, when you overheat it, it loses its nutrients. The egg solidifies from a liquid form to a solid form. I get that solid form which has been solidified, I put it in a blender, I blend it until it becomes powder, and then I pack and go to the market to sell my product.
Egg powder is a unique product and can be consumed in many ways and contains many health attributes.
What is unique with this powdered egg is one, this powdered egg can be eaten in very many different ways. One, when you add in some little water, it takes you back to the original egg after you have broken the egg, and that liquid you get from the egg takes you back, you put on a frying pan and you eat a fried egg. Another way of eating it, you can prepare your sauce and you just spice it in there and you eat a sauce together with the egg.
To Lauben, every part of an egg is useful, and he processes eggshells to get calcium, which he sells to food processing companies.
I don't throw away the eggshells. I also utilize that waste material of an eggshell into a product called eggshell calcium. I heat that eggshell and remove water and the carbon dioxide, and what remains is the calcium. I also pack the calcium and I supply to those people who are dealing in production of drinks, because when you read on their ingredients, those people producing drinks, you will see it contains 20% of the calcium. So I also supply to them, they give me money, and I'm earning while studying.
He explains how he came up with this business idea.
The idea, I got it from one of my lecturers. He's the one who advised me. After making the powdered egg, he told me that you can still add on that product and make a product called eggshell calcium.
His innovativeness has earned him a lot, and he now has a big market for his products.
So some of the achievements that I've got is the university facilitates me. I also have started to produce some products, and I've supplied most of the restaurants and the supermarkets in Barara. I have also supplied to some of the chapatmen in Kasingenge town in Barara, and they are taking up the product. Since it is a new product, I'm making little sales, but I hope I'm going to make more and more sales as the product is growing in the market.
However, in every business, there are some hiccups encountered.
Some of the challenges that I've encountered are manpower, limited manpower, and also the limited resource of money to facilitate my production.
This is how he has managed to deal with his business challenges.
The challenge of finances, the university has given me some little money to use, and for the case of manpower, I'm trying to train some people who will help me to brand the
For those nursing ambitions of doing what he does, Lauben has these words for you.
So my advice to the youth there who want to start up a project like this is one, that getting rich is far different than excelling in academics. So you have to use your mind, develop an idea, push on that idea and develop a market and get some money for and you will increase on your wealth.
There are many opportunities around us. Like Lauben did, all it takes is for one to be open-minded enough to see, seize and work on having them monetized.